Why is the Arduino microcontroller such a game changer in the world of robotics? Well, it's all about accessibility, flexibility, and the power to turn the wildest visions into tangible, whirring, beeping reality. The Arduino microcontroller is a small yet powerful computer board that can be programmed to control a vast array of hardware and software. It's the beating heart of many robotics projects, driving motors, reading sensors, and making decisions based on pre-programmed instructions. So how does one use this nifty piece of technology? Here's a step-by-step guide. First, gather materials. An Arduino board, a USB cable, and a computer with the Arduino software, IDE, installed are the bare essentials. For robotics projects, additional components like motors, sensors, and a power supply might be needed. Next, connect the Arduino board to the computer using the USB cable. The board should light up, indicating its receiving power. Now, open the Arduino software, IDE, and select the correct board from the Tools menu. Also select the serial port that the Arduino board is connected to. Time to write some code. For beginners, the Arduino software, IDE, provides a range of examples to get started. These can be accessed from the File menu under Examples. The code can be modified to suit the specific needs of the project. Once the code is written, it's time to upload it to the Arduino board. Click on the Upload button in the Arduino software, IDE. If all goes well, the code will compile and upload to the board. Finally, observe the magic. The Arduino board will start to execute the uploaded code, bringing the robotics project to life. In summary, the Arduino microcontroller is an invaluable tool in the world of robotics. It provides a flexible and accessible platform for controlling hardware and software, and with a bit of coding can be programmed to drive motors, read sensors, and make decisions. The step-by-step process to use the Arduino involves gathering the necessary materials, connecting the board to a computer, selecting the correct board and port in the Arduino software, IDE, writing and modifying code, uploading the code to the board, and watching the robotics project come to life. So, whether it's building a robot to pour the perfect cup of coffee, creating an automated gardening system, or designing a high-tech home security system, the Arduino microcontroller is the key that unlocks the door to these possibilities. It's the heartbeat of robotics, pumping life into creations and turning visions into reality. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this guide has been helpful and encourages you to dive into the exciting world of robotics. If you found this video informative and would like to see more content like this, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Your queries, feedback, and support help us create more educational content tailored to your needs. Remember, every like, subscribe, and comment helps us bring more educational content to you. So don't forget to engage. Let's continue this journey of learning and discovery together.